Hey everyone, well, Lance Fantasy Gaming. We'll be looking at my Patreon for this month. We have this is from Cult 3D. You can buy them separately if you want, like €1, $1 or $3 for the all of this part of it. This is AI. These I paid people to make for, and they're like $3 a piece, €3. I think it's like 200 $2.80 US, I believe. But yeah, so this is the one that you can get all of that for Patreon for $5, or for $1 you can get I think like three, four, 500 AI model for D&D. Letting you know for $1 on Patreon for this month. If the Patreon's not going to be successful for this month, I have it up for 3 months. I put money into it, and if I don't break even, I'm just going to remove the models, and hopefully they'll sell on Cult 3D. Slowly, it is. One person buys in, and so forth as well. But we're going to be looking at a lot of these AI 3D models. I don't know if we can get through all of them, but we are going to get through some of them. So this is the Beast Folk version of it in many ways. I figure out how to change it. I'm just gonna scroll through it. See, found out how to do higher resolution on the photos for a lot of these things as well. So these are Beast Folks and Furry version, and these are ready to be printed. They're not supported. And you can guess they're AI generated model by Meshi AI, I believe. Um, AI is not there for generating models yet. There's like so many problems with these. Some of them might have six figures in their hand. I'm just letting you know, or three legs. But I made sure none of them have that kind of issues. But in a proportion of it, it's probably not there. There's like delta. How I got it? I used the text plus image with the to 3D. I did image to 3D, and then you get like four different options which one you want from that image. And even though they give you a nice good image, uh, converting it to 3D is a total different thing in general as well. A lot of these from Daisegia video games. A lot of these are from Final Fantasies. We have a lot of AD&D. There's your femboy one. We have a femboy folder if you guys want to buy it for $1. Beast girls, cowgirls with big old bitties or military girls, what do you want to do? I've been, playing around with these AI model. It's funny, but they're so freaking expensive. You cannot do a lot of other things for it as a furry one, unless you pay freaking ridiculous for a monthly, and they give you a coin too. It's like it's not unlimited unless you want to pay a lot more for that. And I'm like, no, I just want to try it out and see how this goes. Your cowgirls right there, big old jugs. We got male ones too. So people that wants male NPC character beast folks, we have those too. There's a male folder just for male. There's a female one. There's a femboy one. There's monsters and there's beast folks and furries and so forth as well. So you can get all of this just for $1 on Patreon. $1. All you need, you get everything for $5 from August figures as well. I just want to break even so I could pay more people to make more cool stuff. And you can vote in on the Discord or on the comments what you want so far for it as well. It is not really a big deal in many ways, but I think this is kind of funny. There's going to probably be shorts for these as well. I don't know how many images you can make for the shorts for this, but we'll see and how that goes. And hopefully we can, get a lot more stuff going on there as well in many ways. I think it came out pretty cool looking. Your femboy from ReZero, Harpies. I got some, I reincarnated into a slime one. I got some Overlord ones too. There's Goat from I reincarnated into slime. We got Benny Maru here. We got this from Jobless Guy, Jobless. I just want to see how they really does it. This one's from Unicorn Overlord, the Witch class for it. We got some actual Cobalt dogs, so you don't want a Dragon Cobalt for D&D. You got that one as well. Like this one from Delicious and Dungeon, that Cobalt. We got some old school lizard folk from AD&D and Troglodytes. We also got a big ass orc pig so far. A lot of cat girls though. Yeah, I just Google it and just try to find it. I did image text. Your female one, female orc from ReZero. We're going to. I go back. Um, let's do femboy. Let's switch it up a bit. It's kind of short. So here's your femboy fairy and regular femboy if you do enjoy it in many ways. And all of this. This is from the silent anime. The girl that's like I talk trouble talking. That's the girl. Even though it's a girl that dressed up as a boy, is not really a tomboy from Overlord that got killed in the first, I think, episode 3 of the first season for it. So letting you guys know, there's your femboy. You get D&D. Print this in 32 millimeter size on your resin printer. Just letting you guys know. Oh, they've got beast folks. But other than that, we're not gonna go through all of it. Why am I freaking clicking? Femboy, female. Oh, I see. Yeah, this is the female one. Comes with human one. Got Albedo from Overlord. Thieflings. More cat girls. Maid. I'm creating the seventh prince. We got John Doe, Jane Doe from ZZZ. I think that's a unicorn overlord. Armored maid with a broom. We got that unicorn overlord. This is the shy hero assassin. I thought it was kind of dumb, but the girls had huge tits, so that's a Disagia, it's Overlord, the Snake Woman, Cat Girl. That is a female bishop for Final Fantasy Tactics. So let's see how that looked. Disagia Succubus. Forgot what was this from. Tsunade. I think this is Hana-chan or her mom wearing this. We got Hana-chan as well. That's from the little 3D good-looking one from Demon Slayer in many ways. Let me see. I try to go a little bit over, but we got some lot of cool stuff. You can get that one too. Next one I'll look at it will be monsters, then hopefully some mail. We got Slot, AD&D Slot. We got the Persona 5, I think the Medusa Mother. I forgot. It's one of those high level ones you get. We got some AD&D, I think Red Cap. I don't know. I forgot what they're called. This is a snake from Boruto summon. We got the frog boss too from Naruto. This is the original Red Cap. Persona. Orc. 3.5. I forgot what this thing's called. This is AD&D. Demigorgon. Thing from Disagia. Disagia. I got some Disagia monsters too. So, if you're interested, we got the Monkey King from Naruto, from the third Hokage. So there's another summon from Naruto as well. Nymph from 3.5. You want to make a water base for it. That's what the images look like in the book. Lucifer from Persona AD&D. Persona. So we got a lot of little monsters from AD&D as well. Uh, this is one of the many I saw. Overlord, Death Knight, a lot of cool looking one. If you're interested in it, go check them out. And then we'll look at the males. So we got these guys. That's from Tactics, the Alchemist. I don't know what that's from. I think that's from Daisegia. You also got a lot of mail from a lot of video games and anime. I just don't really remember, you know, how much bunnies. You got your femboy with that one. You got the wizard, alchemist. You also got the guy from Tactics, Daisegia. I forgot a lot of the one of the heroes. I forgot what it's called. Yeah, so it's a lot. And you want all of it, you don't want to pay the Patreon, it's like $3. So if you want to do that. We also got Mega Man in here too, Zero, and the bosses from Mega Man X, if you're interested in that as well. So we got a lot of cool stuff for you guys to look. And yeah, the links will be down below. I hope you guys do enjoy it. Please subscribe, like, and share. Check out our page in Discord. I'll talk to you guys next time. Bye.